And the race on Doomstead, Speedy Kim, center can down on the inside, Jupiter Thunder, quick play. Also rushing up Royal Ares down on the inside. Center can, quick play, Doomstead, and racing in for the Sophia's Fortune, Jupiter Thunder, racing pip by Santrila, Speedy King, Royal Ares, and Primavera. Nearing the far turn, quick play, Center can, firing up for the lead. Doomstead is racing in third. And inside the last 500, still two runners. Quick play, Center Can, Doomstead. And Sophia's Fortune, Jupiter, Thunder, Royal Speedy King, Primavera. As they race the final corner. Quick play in the middle, Center Can, Doomstead from the outside. Royal Ares sneaking down on the inside. And Jupiter Thunder, Doomstead, quick play in the middle. Royal Ares and Jupiter Thunder, Spirit King, Center Can. And nearing the finish line, Doomstead is now the leader. Followed by Jupiter Thunder, Royal Ares close for fourth, Spirit Kim, quick play, and for your super sa ace, number 9, Terry Toon.